ये जोरदार कहते हैं आप लोग। जी
Thank you.
हुमा ने बहुत साथ दिया हमको पिक्चर में. She was amazing, and I didn't know Huma, and I came to India and auditioned several actresses, but Huma just jumped out at me. I have to say, in the same way that Keira Knightley did for Bend It Like Beckham. I didn't know Keira Knightley either, but Huma had that very natural quality, very feisty, you know, and plus she looked very hutkuti Punjabi, you know. I liked that, and I'm so pleased because all during the shooting, you know, she would question me a lot, you know, and I liked that. Maybe not at the time, but
Definitely not at the time.
but she really, her contribution was fantastic.
I like the way she's listening to this, you know. She's like, what is Gurinder about to say about me, you know?
Yeah, she's a tricky one. You never know what she's gonna say. So I have to keep telling her, you can't say this.
Right. You can say a lot of things जो कि हम सुनना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे about your role, the preparations. लेकिन उस सबसे पहले, you know, Partition 1947. How do you relate to this subject?
Well, I think as Indians growing up in India, everyone relates to the partition. We all have, you know, our parents or grandparents have experienced something. तो partition जैसी word आप सुनते हो कहीं ना कहीं एक emotional connection तो आ ही जाता है. और मेरी family का भी है. Thankfully painful नहीं है क्योंकि कोई भी किसी की भी loss of life नहीं था. But घर छोड़ना या अपने घर वालों या loved ones के बारे में चिंता करना कि वो safe हैं, घर वापस आएंगे या नहीं, it's not a good feeling. And the fact that so many people were forced to leave their homes, you know, they didn't want to. And that choice should not be given to any human being. किसी भी इंसान को force किया जाए कि वो अपना घर छोड़ के चला जाए for a political reason, I think it's not right. And what I loved about the script when I read, it's such a, I mean, of course, there's the politics and there's all the research that Gurinder and her husband Paul have put in the film, but it's so human, and it talks about something very simple. About humanity, about love, and that's what I loved about the film. And all the characters are flawed, they're passionate, they have ambitions, they have hopes, they have dreams, and you sort of go like कि आज के दुनिया में भी हम देखें तो ये आज भी हो रहा है ना, तो हमने क्या 70 years से कुछ सीखा है, मतलब जो हम क्या वो same mistakes बार-बार ही करते रहेंगे. So I think in a small way, it's all of us have tried to say that.
सीरिया में कुछ कोई जंग नहीं था और यूरोप में ब्रेक्सिट भी नहीं था. कौन सोच सकता था जब ट्रम्प president बनेगा? Who would have thought of Brexit? Nobody would have thought of these things when we started making the film. So during the course of the film, the world went ulta basically. And I think that now when I was in Australia last month, and we released the film there. People really loved the film in Australia because they felt it was very modern, and also in Australia they have their own border policies, their own divisions, you know. So I think the film is a very Indian story in its heart, but actually it's a very global story because Akhar, you know, partition, refugees, this is the state of our world today. Politicians will always try and divide us because it's easier to rule us if we're divided.
बिल्कुल उनकी आखिरी फिल्म में से एक है और ओम जी मेरे अब्बा प्ले कर रहे हैं फिल्म में एंड आई थैंक गुरिंदर कि उन्होंने इतने प्यारे अब्बा दिए मुझे बिकॉज फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट मोमेंट दैट आई मेट हिम he was just such a lovely person to be with. Of course, he's a very, very fine actor, whether it's been in India or in the West. And we all will fondly remember his huge body of work. But I think वो इंसान बहुत बढ़िया थे. At least he was very warm and loving with me. And he used to call me Beti also. He came to my house, in fact, last year, almost this time, you know, Eid ke time pe. And my parents met him. And it was so lovely to have him over. And I think it's a great loss. And I feel my scenes with him in the film are some of my favorite scenes, especially the one in the back of the car, where हम एक scene कर रहे थे जब मुझे लगा और गुरिंदर को भी लगा कि अच्छा take है, and he was just sitting next to me. He didn't even have lines, and he said एक और करते हैं मेरे लिए, and both of us went like, but ये तो अच्छा shot था, and we did another take, and when you see the film you'll realize it's come out so beautiful and so emotional, and I think only an actor who's worked so much in theatre, in film, in different languages has that kind of experience to really, I guess, tell, you know, when you really hit the spot. India Partition 1947 is a better title than Viceroy's House. It has a better
Much
connect.
better.
Yeah.
And even the trailer, for me, gets to the point, you know. in the
That's
in-
Indians, no?
it's
We just get to the
Indians.
point.
I mean, the English trailer is great because गोरिया को भी खुश करना चाहिए था ना हमको. So we kind of we showed it like a great sumptuous British period drama, which I wanted to make. I wanted to make a film like they make in Britain. I just wanted to have the people who are normally the Indians who are normally extras and on the side be center stage. So for Britain, it was a subversive film because all these extras, these knockers, they took the emotion of the film in the end.
Gurinder is a very tough director. She's a lovely director, but a very tough director. If she is not happy with what you're doing, she will keep working till she gets what she wants. And I think that's brilliant because this is not an easy film to make. जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो मुझे लगा it's a very unusual Gurinder Chadha film. We associate her with Pride and Prejudice, with Ben Like Beckham. These are very like diaspora, slice of life problem films. I mean, but this was a much bigger film. So for me, it was interesting because, and also what she said, her origin is so unique as a British and a Punjabi filmmaker that she's a very interesting person to make a film like this. And in her films, women always have a very strong voice. Like her female characters are very well etched out. So I was very excited to, of course, work with her. But she's a force of nature. She's excited about the film that she does. A film is like her baby, so how she would scold her children and make sure they do the right thing. I think she treated all her actors like that, and it was great. It was a great collaboration. It was fun working with her, and she's also great fun. But that's always when we're not shooting. And it was a very difficult film to make for all of us. It was hot. It was dusty. हमने जोधपुर और जोधपुर के बाहर आउटस्कर्ट्स पे शूटिंग की थी अगस्त सितंबर में गर्मी में मतलब जैसे जल के काले हो गए थे हम लोग but I think it was worth it because we all knew we were making and being a part of something really really special. So I think it's a very brave film for her to do, and like she said, it's a very timely film for her to pick because she could have done actually any other film, but to do a film like this as a woman, I think it's not easy, and hats off. तफसील में बताऊँ तो मैं उस वक्त मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी और एक ऑडिशन टेप भेजा था गुरिंदर को हिंदुस्तान से. सहर लतीफ़ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हैं, उनने मुझे कॉल किया, बोला फिल्म बन रही है, मेरे घर आई, हमने एक ऑडिशन टेप रिकॉर्ड किया जहाँ मैं कुछ दुपट्टा और पट्टा सुखा रही हूँ, एंड आई सेंड टू गुरिंदर एंड आई थिंक गुरिंदर रियली लाइक्ड इट. एंड तब कोइंसिडेंटली मैं उसके कुछ टाइम बाद आई वाज इन इंग्लैंड व्हेन आई गॉट अ कॉल सेइंग गुरिंदर वांट्स टू टेस्ट यू विथ Manish Dayal, the actor who's in the film with me, opposite me, who's a wonderful actor. But so I said, मैं तो मगर हिंदुस्तान में हूँ ही नहीं, मैं तो इंग्लैंड में हूँ. तो then she got us in touch, and then I went to see her musical, and then we did like a reading together with Manish, another actor from the film Jazz and I, which I think went well.
Very well.
And then she called me one day, I was sleeping, and she called and saying, okay, I want you to be my Alia. And I think I screamed for 5 minutes, and she's like, she laughed. She said, okay, maybe it's the wrong decision. But no.
But also, she has a period face, period features.